mga ka-travel! Welcome back ulit sa aking channel. I am Kelly and now living here in Spain. If you are new here, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga bago kong travel adventure. Hi mga ka-travel, this vlog is not just about traveling, it's also a little flashback of my life in the Netherlands. Andito ako ngayon sa airport ng Netherlands at makikita nyo naman na maraming cheese dito dahil ang Netherlands ay isa sa pinakamalaking producer at exporter ng keso sa buong mundo. Kilala rin ang bansang ito sa kanilang magagandang tulip flowers na dinarayo ng maraming turista. Also, before I moved to Spain, I have the opportunity to live in the Netherlands. And today, I'll be sharing some of my memories and the beautiful places I visited. So, if you're planning to visit Netherlands someday or simply curious about what life is to live here, then this vlog is definitely for you. At sa loob ng airport, dito marami kang makikitang souvenir shop kung gusto mong mamili bago umalis o habang naghihintay ng flight. At paglabas ko ng airport, napakadaling bumiyahe din papunta sa city dahil may mga bus at train na available. At maaari kang bumili ng ticket online o gumamit ng online bank card o mobile wallet para mag-check-in at mag-check out every time na sasakay sa bus or train. At kung bibisita ka rito, magandang i-download na ang NS app or gamitin ang OB Pay. And I recommend this for your easy travel here in Netherlands. Hi mga ka-travel! Just to let you know that Amsterdam is the capital city of the Netherlands and kasama ko ang auntie ko for the quick grocery store sa Lidl. Dito talaga ako laging namimili nung nakatira pa ako sa Amsterdam for my second year contract of being au pair. And after Germany, because it's affordable and mas nakakatipid ako compared sa ibang grocery store. Ano nga ba ang pwede mong makita dito? Normally, makikita mo yung mga fresh vegetables sa loob ng store and also the fruits. You can see blueberry, strawberry, and also dairy product, yung mga Milka, marami sila dito. At ang dami ding klase ng bread because bread is their everyday food sa mga Dutch people yun ha. Pero sa atin naman mga Pinoy, alam kong kailangan talaga natin ng rice. At kaya sobrang daming pagpipilian dito sa Lidl. So I recommend this. Some of that are pricey, lalo na kung imported yung product. But I recommend this when you are here in Netherlands. And one of the highlight of my travel to the Netherlands was attending a candlelight concert in Rotterdam. And the venue is filled with hundreds of candles. And of course, this is my second time attending a candlelight concert. Pero ang unang attend ko when I was in Ibiza. And both were unforgettable and every concert has its own unique atmosphere. And it's also a magical and relaxing experience. Habang naglalakad, bigla akong na-flashback sa travel experience ko sa Netherlands, especially nung bumisita ako sa Tulip Field at na-experience sumakay ng Adam Lookout, one of the most iconic towers in Amsterdam. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much for watching. See you in my next vlog.